Hello 朋友们，大家好 Welcome to Marinate Kitchen. If you like the video, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to help the channel grow. Today I'm going to make Shaohsing Tang, also known as Pickled Mustard fish soup. This soup is absolutely delicious if you like pickled foods. The ingredients are in the description box. Now I show you how to make it. Let's get started! This right here is the start of the recipe. This is pickled mustard. It's very salty, so we need to start by cleaning it, then soak for 15 minutes. You can change how long you soak it for. If you like saltier, soak it for less time, but this is how I like it. Let's cut the fish. I'm using tilapia for this cook. I start by filleting the fish. Then cut the bones. We are using this for the stock. Make sure to take the pickle out after 15 minutes, otherwise it will lose too much flavor. Now let's put the green onion. Split the white part into chunks. And finally, slice the green part. Then peel the ginger and cut a few slices. Now season the fillet with Shaohsing Cooking Wine, salt, vegetable oil, and ginger. Then mix together. Next, cut the pickled mustard. Now we want to heat up some oil and cook the fish bone to a flavor. We want to get a lighter smoky flavor. Then add water. Next, add Shaohsing Cooking Wine and the aromatics. Simmer the stock for 10 minutes, then strain it. Now heat up some oil and cook the pickled mustard. Then add the stock back in and bring it to a boil. Now let the fish fillet simmer for 3 minutes. Then add salt and chicken powder. Mix it together and pour it over the pickled mustard. Finish it off with the green onion and it's done! Wow, looks good! Time for this test. I love eating with my rice. So delicious. The fish is very flaky and cooked perfectly. The pickled mustard sour and crunchy. It's so good. The broth is very fragrant. Then taste the ginger, onion, and cooking wine. The soup is tangy and savory. If you guys have any questions and would like to be mentioned in the next video, feel free to comment. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you guys like the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day, everybody. 再见。